SpatialXL is an add-in to Microsoft Excel 2007 or 2010, which gives Excel full graphics capability. This video will show how to use basic thematics in SpatialXL. Before watching this video, it is recommended that you watch both the basic demonstration video on SpatialXL with audio, as well as how to install and license SpatialXL with audio. These are available on YouTube and on our website. As shown in these prior videos, you have to open a Spatial pane to start using SpatialXL. I would also like to change my background color, like this. We are not going to work with book 1, so I'm going to close book 1 and open another spreadsheet. Now I would like to load a shapefile with population density, which we can thematically color for some background information. First, I open the folder outside of Excel that contains my shapefile. Then I drag the SHP file into my layer control. For this shapefile, I'm going to take the default settings. And there my shapefile appears. Next, I would like to color the shapefile based on themes. To do this, I double-click on my layer and I go to the Thematics section. I would like to color this based on the population max, and I'd like to use a linear coloring going between different colors gradually, and I'm going to color with 5 values, but I'd like to set myself what the breakpoint should be. And I'd like to choose some of these colors myself. And there's all my colors for my population density. When you open this layer up like this, I'm just going to close the mini map. You can see that there's all the different ranges represented here. I can also turn these ranges on or off to show highlighted areas. In this spreadsheet, we have information about different shops represented as points, as you can see here, with types and with other indicators. I can add all of these shops to my current data by selecting the columns and simply going Add Excel Layer. In this case, I'll also take the default, but I will change my general description to shops. And there, all these points represents the different shops. To turn a label on for this, I'll go into text labels and choose description. And these names of my various shops. I'm going to set my shapefile to be more transparent so my shops can show up more clearly. And there it is. Next, I'd like to represent my shops with different symbols depending on what type of shop it is. First, I'm going to take the thickness of these points down to 0 so that the symbols can show up more clearly. And then in Thematics, I will go into Images and choose my image column to be type. As you can see, these column headings are picked up automatically from Excel. Now I know my types are mini, midi, and maxi. And I can choose an image for each of these different values. I'm going to choose characters. My little shops, I will choose that character. You can see the character numbers being 93, 94, and 95. For some reason, Webding's characters under 34 do not display, so make sure that you choose nice and high numbers for good display. And there you can see My shops have got different characters depending on the type of shop that it is. Now you can also have multiple indicators on your data. For instance, we can color on the value of A. Again, going to properties, thematics then, color column, let's take A, make it a gradual coloring, going between yellow and red. And there you can see the symbols are still there, but also the coloring has changed depending on what value there is to A. We can even do different sorting. For instance, we can sort largest to smallest. We just have to refresh the map again so that the new rows are picked up. And then you can find different shops by zooming to those. There's that shop. There's that shop. There's that shop, and to show that it is that shop, we can also highlight the selection. Let's zoom to these rows, and we can highlight them as well. And there they change. You can also select from the map to Excel. And that is row 10. And that is row 40. We can also show more than 2 indicators by using charts. For instance, in Thematics, I can go into Charts, choose Bar Chart, make it show, and then add A, B, let's make B a blue color, and C. And there are charts with my different values for my different areas. And there you can see them clearly. To save what you've done, make sure that your work is contained within your workbook containing layer and simply click Save. If you close the spreadsheet and you reopen it, everything that you have done is still there. That is the end of the demonstration. For more information, please visit our website at www.primethought.biz. Thank you.